In this video, we will learn about right angle triangles and some of the properties of right angle triangles. So, a right angle triangle is a triangle which has one angle of 90 degree. A triangle can have at most one angle of 90 degree. We can't make a triangle with two angles of 90 degree, obviously. Now, let's make a triangle which is right angle triangle. So, this triangle here is right angle triangle because this angle is of 90 degree. Similarly, this one is another right angle triangle because this angle is of 90 degree, right? And similarly, help me make another one. I want 90 degree above, so maybe
like the sides meet in the
This
middle.
need to be slant. This line need to be slant.
so this must be maybe 90 degree angle. I want this to be 90 degree angle, right?
Yes.
Make sense? So this is 90 degree angle, this is 90 degree angle, and this is 90. So all these triangles are called right angle triangle, and they can have only one side at most of 90 degree. We can have a triangle obviously which has no 90 degree side, but we cannot have triangle with more than one 90 degree side. Now these triangles, all the sides have special names. The side which is opposite to the 90 degree, this one, in this triangle, this one, and in this triangle, this one, is called hypotenuse. So it is and I will not write this long word of hypotenuse here, I will just say H, just abbreviating hypotenuse with H. Similarly, this side is also hypotenuse. Now, the other side names are disputed. So, if you are living in Asia, then the three sides of right angle triangle are hypotenuse, second one is base, and third one is perpendicular. But if you are living towards the other side of globe, maybe in Europe or in USA, then we agree on hypotenuse, that one side is hypotenuse there also. But base is adjacent, so base become adjacent. And perpendicular becomes opposite. So let's find out what these sides are in these triangles. Now hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree angle, but we might be interested in some other angle. We might be interested in this angle or this angle. And based upon our interest, these two sides, the remaining two sides change. So let's say we are interested in this angle. I mean, we're interested in this angle, which is theta here. Then this side is base, because this is base. This is like a base of something, right? This side is base. Or in other terminology, this side is adjacent, because we're interested in this angle and this is adjacent side, right? Yes?
What if the triangle is like this?
So we have different kinds of triangles. We're going to make these in all of those triangles. So we're going to make this all. So this side is base, right? And then in other terminology, this side is adjacent, because this side is, so basically here because this side is adjacent to my angle, right? And this side in one terminology is perpendicular, because this is perpendicular. But in other terminology, this side is opposite. Make sense? Now, look at this triangle. And in this triangle, or maybe this triangle first again. Let's say we're not interested in this theta. We're interested in this theta. We want to know about this angle, right? then once again hypotenuse will remain the same, but other things will switch. So now we are interested in not this theta, we are interested in this theta. So we are interested in this angle. So now theta is here. So that means we are standing here now, right? And now we are standing here, then this side will become our base. Make sense? Or this side will be adjacent side. This side will be adjacent side. So in one terminology this is the base, in one terminology this is adjacent. And because we are standing here, so if we are standing here, then in this universe this is parallel. Because this side will be like, perpendicular. This side will be perpendicular. Or this side will be opposite side. Make sense? So now if you understand this terminology, please help me writing those sides in this triangle and this triangle. So now first I start with this triangle. And let's say this is my theta. This is my theta. Right? So where I am standing? I am standing in this line or this line?
That line.
So you are always standing in the line where theta and 90 degree meets.
Yes.
And that side basically line becomes your base. So theta and 90 degree meets, you are standing here. So you are standing like here.
Yes.
Right? So which side will be your base?
That line.
This line, right?
Yes.
This will be our base. Or what? Adjacent. This will be our base or adjacent side.
Can you just say base? Adjacent is kind of hard.
Yeah, but somehow some people like adjacent better. So this is base or adjacent. And this side will be perpendicular. Right? This side will be perpendicular or opposite. Makes sense because this is opposite to theta.
Oh.
So opposite is usually easy to find. You can say opposite is opposite of theta. Make sense? So now what if in this case my theta is this one? This is our last example. I think after these examples you will be able to understand what opposite and theta and opposite and base and perpendicular and hypotenuse is. So hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree. Now in this case, what is my base? What is my adjacent? This was for this triangle. Base will be?
The bottom line.
The bottom line will be base or adjacent, because 90 and theta where both of them meet, this will become base or adjacent side, right? And what will be our perpendicular?
The right line.
Which is opposite to the adjacent side, or is also opposite or perpendicular. Make sense?
Yes.
Right? So now we talk about a very basic rule about right angle triangle, which is called Pythagoras theorem. Have you heard about this? No?
Never.
Okay, so now let's talk about Pythagoras theorem.